time to dive. I'm just gonna take a deep breath and go, right?
Exactly.
Or maybe like while she's watching me, just like positioning myself, going
and go.
And go.
Exactly.
Okay.
I think about the only person on our crew and our cast who we could talk into doing this dive would be Rodrigo. You know, the lifeguard has just done the dive beforehand to make sure that it's kind of safe, or safe enough, and you know, we're all going to keep our fingers crossed and only have him do it once so as not to tempt fate.
Rodrigo just jumped into the water. That, I guess if you have an open cut, the water can like give you some sort of weird viral infection. It can give you leprosy. Or lupus. It gives you lupus. It's really off. Or right, that's what I heard too. That it turns you into a werewolf. And so it's nasty. I'm glad it's him and not me.